Hi, I'm Heather, and I was sent this photo album that I wanted to show you all. It is dark green leather. It's really high quality. It's got 40 pages and it is sized at about 11.5 inches by 10.6 inches. So as we open it up, we can see that we have these aluminum screws that keep it nice and tight, held together, sturdy quality. One neat feature is that the pages peel back here so that you can put whatever size of picture that you would like to put in, whether it's a 4x6, 5x7, up to an 8x10. And then you can reseal that and it'll keep all of the dust and water out, things like that. And then if at any time you're not happy, you can just peel that back again and move your picture. So that's a really nice feature. This album has 40 pages in it and you can style it however you wish. You can scrapbook, you can just put pictures in, whatever you choose to do. This one is dark green leather. It does come in some different colors, and you can see here the binding in it makes it really sturdy and a nice place to store your memories.